Residents on the East Coast of Demerara are commending Friday's planned maintenance works between Liliendaal to Success, executed by the Guyana Power and Light Incorporated. DPI spoke with several citizens in the areas who agreed that planned maintenance along the network is necessary.
It's very, very important, not only for business but for everything, because if you don't have a line thing, you don't maintain, it will break down, and sometimes it take months and weeks to fix.
It will improve because you won't be in blackout, you won't get short to the current, or your appliance in your house won't blow.
I think they should. Keep up the good work, keep pushing it, make sure that we get a good steady current and the people could feel comfortable without no problem.
GPL's Deputy Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Samaru Ramjahal, provided an overview of the works, which were being undertaken following numerous inspections and analyses.
Our plans today is to fix the network issues we have experienced over the last little bit. So for example, there are cases where the poles are not plumb. There are cases where poles are rotten, so in that stretch from Liliendaal all the way to Success, we're changing all those poles. There are switches which are damaged. That is what's connecting on the wires.
The Deputy CEO says other works included the clearing of vegetation on the network's wires. The exercise was completed ahead of schedule. Planned maintenance will be conducted countrywide.